Well, we're just doing a little bit of training practice in the yard with Astro, and we have Darian set up behind us holding a big 2x4 that he's going to drop, but only when I tell him to. Good, because we've been working on different noises, loud sounds and everything with Astro, and having him be desensitized to those things. And what really helps is putting a bunch of peanut butter on this natural balanced sausage, because he's crazy about it, and that's worked really well at desensitizing him to those loud noises. So we're going to do that right now. Look at this, Astro. Oh, chow down. And I'll give Darian, in a second, I'll tell you when to drop that. Down. Make sure he stays in a down stay if you're going to do this. Okay. He's chowing down, really enjoying himself. Yum. Very good. Now. Good boy. Very good. So that was pretty extreme, pretty loud. Darian, why don't you go back outside now and take this penny can. No. So if he gets up, see what happens? Very often if you give the dog too much, like a pile, then they'll stand up. So we need to give him smaller. Hey, down. We'll give him a smaller amount next time. But they'll stand up to eat the pile of food. But if you give them smaller pieces, it keeps them in it's not going to trigger them to get up. So we got to, no. So we have a bunch of coins in this penny can, and I'm going to send Darian out on the other side of the gate. No. Okay, come on, let's go. Redo this whole thing. Go outside, and I'll tell you when to shake them, okay? Okay. Go back into your downstay. There you go. Okay. No. Just stay down. All right. So he's in his downstay. He's crazy about the peanut butter. I'm going to give him a little bit more, but this time not a huge amount. Just on one piece of chicken this time. And have Darian. Now. Very good. Give him some more chicken. Again. Come on inside the gate now. Good. And camera person, can you catch Darian right there with the can? No. There you go. Go back down into a down. There you go. Just going to give him one more pile of food here. Shake it. Good boy. Oh, let me give him some peanut butter. Don't do it again until I give him the peanut butter. Okay. Okay, shake the can. Very good. So as you can see, okay, we're done. As you can see, he can handle it because we've associated eating his treats with the loud noises, and he doesn't freak out anymore when he hears them. Good boy. You always want to finish on a high note. So his last bit of treats here will be with no noises, so that he can just enjoy them without worrying. I'm going to give him one more little piece of peanut butter so that he ends this on a really good note. Good boy. Look how good you were. Good boy. Okay, come on, bud. Sit. Okay, go. Free time. Good boy, Astro. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Very good. Good boy.